Hey, it's Kylie with WTI, and I just have to tell you about this amazing find that completely transforms your shower experience. It's a corner shower stool by Rohkex. This isn't just any old shower stool. It's a multi-purpose piece of furniture that can be used in your shower or on the side of your tub for a spa-like experience. It can also be used in your bathroom for storage or even in other parts of your home as a side table or an entry table. It's incredibly versatile, which is one reason why you can't go wrong with this shower stool. So let's talk about design for just a minute. The shower stool is waterproof, which makes it great for use in your bathroom or even for shaving. It's really sturdy, so I feel like when I put my foot on it for shaving, it's not going anywhere. The feet are also adjustable for uneven surfaces. Overall, the stool was really easy to assemble. It took me just less than 10 minutes and it looks super classy in my bathroom, and it adds such a nice element of storage to the space. As I mentioned earlier, the stool feels really sturdy. It can hold up to 300 pounds, so I even feel confident sitting on it if I need to. Do you want to up your bathroom design? Then I would highly suggest checking out this versatile and functional, not to mention really adorable, corner shower stool from Rohkex. And that's my point of view.